Supreme Court saying that it's rather unfortunate that the state government cannot accept authority of the highest judicial court in the state, referring to Lalgarh. And that's the latest, in fact, coming in. The Supreme Court has pulled up the West Bengal government over the Lalgarh issue. The Supreme Court has said, and I quote here, it's rather unfortunate that the state government cannot accept authority of the highest judicial court of the state. In fact, the Chief Justice of the Kolkata High Court had said that the CBI should investigate the Lalgarh violence issue. Meanwhile, the West Bengal government had appealed against the CBI inquiry, following which the Supreme Court has pulled up the West Bengal government. In fact, the Supreme Court has also asked for a communication exchange between the West Bengal Chief Minister and Home Minister over the Lalgarh massacre in the Netai village, which witnessed cold-blooded killings. There were 9 deaths at Netai village, which happened at the Maoist-affected Lalgarh area of West Bengal. Let's go across to Ridhim Bharadwaj. She's joining us on the phone line. Ridhim, quite clearly the West Bengal government had been sitting on it. It did not want a CBI inquiry into this entire Lalgarh case. The Supreme Court pulling it up for that.
Hello?
Ridhim, go on. What else has the Supreme Court said?
Yes, today Supreme Court Judge Justice Ganguly, listening into the entire Lalgarh warrants thrice repeated in court, it's very unfortunate that the state government, that's West Bengal government, cannot accept the authority of the High Court. The High Court, remember, had gone ahead and said that the CBI should investigate the entire Lalgarh violence that had taken place, especially in the Netai village, in which 9 people had been killed. When the West Bengal government challenged this CBI inquiry in the Supreme Court, today the Supreme Court said it's unfortunate that the state government is unable to accept the authority of the highest judicial court of the state. They also went on to state that they want before them all the records, all the correspondence, the communication that has taken place between the Chief Minister of West Bengal as well as the Home Minister on the Lalgarh violence. Therefore, all this will be placed before the court for a major hearing. Most importantly, the court said it's unfortunate that the West Bengal government is unable to accept the authority of the highest judicial court of West Bengal.
Thanks for that. There you have Ridhim Bharadwaj giving us exactly what happened in court. West Bengal government had issued an appeal against a CBI inquiry, following which the Supreme Court had pulled up the West Bengal government.